Hey guys, this is the part 2 of Gujarat quiz series. We had already covered part 1 wherein we had seen 50 questions. So now we'll begin with question number 51. Where are black bugs found in Gujarat? They are found in the district of Bhavnagar. Which sea is in the west of Gujarat? The answer is Arabian Sea. What is the coastline of Gujarat? So how long is the coastline of Gujarat? That is 1600 kilometers. What is the folk dance of Gujarat? It is world famous Garba. What is the traditional dress for men in Gujarat? Kedu and dhoti. What is the traditional dress for women in Gujarat? This is Chaniya Choli. What is the staple food of Gujarat? So this is the picture of khichdi and kadhi. So khichdi and kadhi. What are the famous festivals of Gujarat? There are many festivals celebrated in Gujarat. Famous are Uttarayan, that is kite festival, Navratri and Ranotsav. Which is the biggest temple in Gujarat? Biggest temple in Gujarat is Swaminarayan Akshardham, which is located in Gandhinagar. How many Jyotirlinga are there in Gujarat? So Gujarat has 2 Jyotirlingas. One is Nageshwar Jyotirlinga and another one is Somnath. Which is the oldest temple in Gujarat? The oldest temple of Gujarat is Gop Temple. As of 2022, total number of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in Gujarat are 4 national parks and 21 sanctuaries. How many airports are there in Gujarat? So Gujarat has total of 19 airports. Which is the largest airport in Gujarat? The largest airport is Sardar Vallabhbhai International Airport in Ahmedabad. Which is the biggest university in Gujarat? The biggest university is Gujarat University in Ahmedabad. What is the full form of Amul, which is the famous Amul dairy? Anand Milk Federation Union Limited, which was established in the year 1946. The British East India Company established its first factory in which city? So it was established in Surat city in 1613. What is the area-wise rank of Gujarat in India? So area-wise, Gujarat is 5th largest state in India and the Rajasthan is the largest state. What is the population-wise rank of Gujarat in India? Population-wise rank is 9th populated state in India and Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state. Which goddess's 9 forms are worshipped during Navratri festival? Goddess Durga. The Gujarati Sahitya Parishad was established in the year 1905. Who was the first president of Gujarati Sahitya Parishad? Govardhan Ram Tripathi. The Gujarat High Court was established in the year 1960. Who had established the Sultan of Gujarat? Who had established the Sultanate of Gujarat? Muzaffar Shah I. The famous MS University of Baroda was named after which king? So he was the Maratha king. Name is the Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad III, the former ruler of Baroda state. Which one is the first European power to arrive in Gujarat? Portuguese. Which is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi ji? Porbandar. Who was the first Gujarati laureate to win the Gyanpith Award? Umashankar Joshi. Who wrote the novel Saraswati Chandra? So, novel Saraswati Chandra was written by Govardhan Ram Tripathi. Where is the world's largest graveyard of ships is located? It is located in Alang in Bhavnagar district. Surat is located on the bank of which river? It is located on the river bank of Tapi. Vadodara or the Baroda is located on the bank of which river? Vishwamitri. Ahmedabad is located on the bank of which river? Ahmedabad is located on the bank of Sabarmati river. Which one is the Gujarat's first kerosene-free city? So that is the green city, Gandhinagar. Who wrote the Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat, the official state song of Gujarat? Narmada Shankar Dave. In which year Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat was adopted as the official state song of Gujarat? In the year 2011. Gujarat is bordered by how many states? States, and we would include here union territories as well. So, how many states and union territories? 3 states and 1 union territory. So, states are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. UT is Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Now, this is the one UT. India's first National Policing Academy has set up in which district of Gujarat? It was set up in Devbhoomi Dwarka. The Vanapuri Thermal Power Station is located on the bank of which river in Gujarat? It is located on the bank of Mahi River. Which is the largest cotton producing state in India? Definitely Gujarat. The National Salt Satyagraha Memorial is located in which district of Gujarat? So that is in Navsari district of Gujarat. Question number 92. Which city is located in Gujarat is famous for zari production? Zari production के लिए famous कौन सा city है? Surat. Who has built the famous Lakshmi Vilas Palace of Vadodara? It is built by Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad III. Who was the first female Chief Minister of Gujarat? First female Chief Minister and only Chief Minister. Female Chief Minister. Anandiben Patel. Who is current Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court in 2022? He is Mr. Justice Arvind Kumar. How many World Heritage Sites are there in Gujarat till 2022? So Gujarat has total 3 World Heritage Sites basically. So which are they? Gujarat has 4 World Heritage Sites. So which are they? Rani Ki Vav, Chapaner Pavagadh, Archaeological Park, Historic City of Ahmedabad and Dholavira. Dholavira is recently added in 2021. Garvi Gujarat Bhavan is located in which city? This is tricky question. It is located in New Delhi, not in Gujarat. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which districts of Gujarat? So this is also a very important question. Which districts of Gujarat? Any guesses, guys? So it passes through 7 districts: Aravalli, Sabarkantha, Gandhinagar, Mehsana, Surendranagar, Patan and Kutch. Which district is the leading producer of tobacco in Gujarat? So that is called Charotar region of Kheda district. Who has received Bharat Ratna award in 1991? Basically there are 2 people like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Morarji Desai. They have received this award. Thank you guys for watching my video. So we had covered total 100 questions of Gujarat State in Gujarat State series. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys.